In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Scener to Chrome. Scener is a simple Chrome extension that lets you host or join watch parties so you can enjoy movies, shows, and videos with friends while chatting over video, voice, or text. I'll walk you through installing it, making sure it shows up where you need it, and sharing a few quick tips so you're ready to start your first party. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. If you haven't used Chrome in a while, it's a good idea to update it so extensions run smoothly. With Chrome open, head to the Chrome Web Store. You can search for Chrome Web Store or go directly if you have it bookmarked. This is the official place to safely find and install extensions. Once you're in the store, click the search bar at the top and type Scener, then press Enter. In the results, look for Scener, Watch Parties. The official listing clearly mentions watch parties and highlights features like video and voice chat. Click that result to open the extensions page, where you can review its description, screenshots, and required permissions before installing. When you're ready, click Add to Chrome. A small pop-up will appear asking you to confirm. Click Add Extension. Chrome will download and install Scener automatically. In a moment, you should see a confirmation message letting you know the extension has been added. If you don't see anything, check the top right corner of Chrome for the extensions icon, which looks like a little puzzle piece. To keep Scener handy, let's pin it to your toolbar. Click the puzzle piece icon, find Scener in the list, and click the pin icon next to it. The Scener logo will appear beside your address bar, so it's always one click away. If you ever want to unpin it, repeat the same steps and toggle the pin off. Now you're ready to enjoy Scener's features. You can start or join watch parties and chat with friends using video, voice, or text right inside Chrome. Scener supports multiple streaming platforms, so you can choose what to watch together. Keep in mind that for paid services, each participant usually needs their own account to sync playback properly. For the best experience, use a headset to reduce echo, and when Chrome asks for permission to use your camera and microphone during a party, click Allow so you can be seen and heard. That's it. Scener is installed, pinned, and ready to go. Enjoy your next watch party and have fun streaming together from anywhere.